Riverfront Key West with Gulf access. Behold this loft-like single-family residence on the Anclote River Estuary. This spacious 3 halves, 5 halves is bathed in natural light. Enter the home into the huge great room with 3 sets of impact sliding glass doors opening out to your riverfront. The large, open main floor encompasses the living room, dining room and kitchen. The kitchen features breakfast bar, ample cabinetry and appliances, generous pantry and ceramic tile flooring. The living area feels enormous with cathedral ceilings and massive sliders with plantation shutters. The main level has a powder room with pedestal sink for guests. Up a short flight of stairs is the laundry room and master suite. The expansive master bedroom has large windows overlooking the wetlands. There are 2 large closets, one of which in a walk-in, and the ensuite offers dual vanities, garden tub, and huge walk-in shower. On the 3rd floor are 2 additional bedrooms and walk-through 3rd bath. The front bedroom has a view over the wetlands and the large back bedroom has a vanity with entry into the 3rd bathroom. There is a shower with tub, toilet, and sink. Back down to the main floor and out onto the screened-in porch you'll find ample room for seating and entertaining. There is a boat lift and a finger dock for easy loading, an oversized 2-car garage with service door and full storage underneath the home. There have been extensive upgrades to the home including outdoor screened porch, 2016, new floors and plantation shutters, January 2017, new AC, air handler and compressor, April 2017, reinforced porch with I-beam support and new footers, June 2020, brand new water heater, August 2022, and owner is under contract to add a brand new roof for the lucky buyer in October/November 2022.